Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Today I'm going to share with you a sunscreen review from the Body Shop. Watch on for more details. The Body Shop Vitamin C Glow Protect Lotion SPF 30 PA++. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends. So now let's get started. Summer is here, and who doesn't want a bright and even complexion? Winter probably dulled your skin with the harsh winds, but now let's work on making it vibrant again. So the Body Shop's claim, this sunscreen for dull, tired, grumpy skin, SPF 30 with UVA and UVB protection, hydrates and helps protect the skin, gives the skin a brighter, more radiant appearance, softens and smooths. So this sunscreen comes in a tube packaging, and the packaging is really good and very travel friendly and very sturdy. And the consistency of this sunscreen is quite thick and quite heavy consistency, but this fragrance is really amazing. It's very refreshing, kind of orange smell. So the sunscreen consistency is perfect consistency, and it does not your face looking greasy. It's a non-greasy formula, and it doesn't leave a sticky residue, and it doesn't produce an unpleasant shine. So I actually thought this product will be a favorite on my first application. If you like an hydrating sunscreen, this product is perfect for you, and these products don't leave any white cast. So this product is really amazing for our skin. So we all know that vitamin C is said to have anti-aging properties that will prevent the skin from wrinkling, plus it also gives the skin that glow, making it appear radiant, fresh and younger. So it also evens out the skin tone, which means this can be handy when it comes to getting rid of acne scars. So this sunscreen lotion is perfect for our skin, also used to this body, and this sunscreen is suitable for all skin types like dry, normal, combination or oily. But if you have dry skin, this sunscreen is perfect for you, and this sunscreen is amazingly works on your skin. Personally, I like this sunscreen very much, and this sunscreen is remove your skin dullness, because this sunscreen contains Amazonian Camu berry, which is known to have one of the highest contents of vitamin C in nature. Vitamin C encourages collagen production, improves elasticity and protects against damaging environmental aggressors. So sunscreens provide medium level broad spectrum UVA and UVB sun protection. So this sunscreen is very effective for our skin. Now I am saying that how to use this sunscreen. Apply on your face and neck after cleansing and toning using your fingertips. If product gets in eyes, rinse with clean water. So before you use this product, patch test is needed. So yeah, this is the video. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments and share with family and friends. Thanks for watching this video.